Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add text in Krita. First, select the text tool from the toolbar. Then right-click and drag on the canvas to create a text box. An Edit Text screen will pop up where you can type your text. Click in the area that says Placeholder and start typing whatever text you want to add. You can also customize your text in several ways. To change the size, click the down arrow beside the number and adjust it to your preference. To change the color, click on the color square and select the color you want. You can also choose your preferred font from the font selection option. When you are finished, click Save, and your text will appear updated on the canvas. Now, if you want to make the text smaller or larger than what the font size allows, you can convert the vector layer to a paint layer. Once converted, use the transform tool to resize the text to exactly the size you want. And that is how you add and customize text in Krita. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching.